Welcome back to the Source Garage. This is Project V doing the engine detail today. So this engine really doesn't look anything spectacular, right? If you've seen engine cleaning porn, as I call it, on like Reddit or YouTube, where it's got hoses and cables and a bunch of shiny parts and all this nice stuff all over the engine, and it's like old and grimy and disgusting, and then they clean it up and everything's shiny and polished. Well, a lot of modern engines, right, you just have nothing but plastic covers, example, just like this. And even when I take the covers off here, there's a little bit beneath it to clean up and make look nicer, but I wouldn't call it a whole lot, and all you're going to see in the end is the cover on top anyway. But anyway, I got to detail the whole engine here, and I'm not going to do anything super fancy. I have it in the garage still, and I'm going to keep as little water in here as possible. I'm not going to bring the pressure washer in here and start spraying things down. But what I'm going to do first, I'm going to tape off, and I got some coverings for the sides and the front here, so I don't get any of the cleaning chemicals on the ceramic coating. And then what I'm going to mainly use on doing the engine itself here is just some super degreaser. This is diluted to half strength that I'll be using for most of the engine bay, and just some boar's hairs brushes, and this big scrubbing brush here to help get the hood. And really this is all you would need to basically scrub down almost the entire thing. And I don't have a lot of components to worry about that are sticking out that are going to be really sensitive to any of this that I'm using. I know that can be a problem on some cars depending upon what's sticking out. You need to wrap things in plastic, cover them up, right, to protect if you're going to especially spray something like a pressure washer where the water could get into something. So I'm not going to have to worry about that doing something as simple as this. And once I scrub everything down and get it looking nice and clean, got some nice solution finish here, and I'm going to use that to dress all the hard plastic here. And I've got some hyper dressing too that I could use for the other trim parts here if I don't want to use the solution finish, but I'm probably going to end up using this on mostly everything here. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'll bring the camera in a bit more and put my headphones on and get started. Well, of course, my damn batteries died right when I was in the middle of this, putting on the right cover there, so didn't record me finishing the last like 10 minutes of this, unfortunately. Oh well, such is life. So here it is, all done, nice and dressed up. Everything's nice and clean and shiny now, all covered with solution finish. So I'm pretty happy with it. I just gotta take off the plastic around the edges and wipe it down if any water got underneath, but should have done a pretty good job keeping it clean. And yeah, looks nice and shiny. So if you followed along the whole time, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more of Project V as I finally wrap this up with the interior work coming soon.